Hey guys, I thought I'd show you guys this shop here. This is our pretty standard, kind of what I call a hybrid between a post frame and like a stud wall. So this is just a shop here, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and just show you guys kind of our typical way of how we would do this one. This is probably the best explanation of a hybrid building. Let me show you guys here. So here we studded it out every 16 inches on center, set it on a sill plate. We got sill steel underneath there. And then we went ahead and basically girded it up with our treated board on the bottom there, and we girded it up. And then we could literally just do wrap on that and metal, or just metal. We put OSB on this one too. But then the trusses are like every 4 foot on center, and then we put our 2x4s going across there, and then OSB on top of that. So you don't have to do OSB, but you could. But then, yeah, we got the bracing going up there, just like a typical pole barn. Got our angle braces going up, and we got our jack braces coming down here every 8 foot or so. As you can see there, those ones right there. And that'll hold the bottom cord and the top cord good. So yeah, it's basically a stud wall, but then you can wrap it with metal. You can eliminate some trusses. You don't have to do 2 foot on center, which saves you money. But also, the inside of this thing's pretty much ready to be stuffed with insulation, and your interior framing's done now that it's stud wall. But it costs more because you got to put it on a monolithic slab, which is what we got here. We got a drain in the middle here, and a couple doors on this end, some high lift doors there, and then some big bay over here that drive through. And over here, we just framed out a couple office space, bathroom stuff in here that he's going to finish out himself. So yeah, I'll show the outside a little bit too. So from the outside here, it just looks like a typical pole barn almost. You just got your metal soffit, overhangs, and all that, but it's just on a monolithic pad. We put some of that foam around it to insulate the footer there. Yeah, other than that, it's just typical and the same on the outside, but it's definitely cheaper than if you did a full stick build. And all that, because you can leave the OSB off and all that, but it just depends on what you want.